Welcome to Mike's Tech. Welcome to Mike. Tech and Toys.
Hey, welcome to Mike's Tech and Toys. And today I unbox and have a play with the Silverlit remote-controlled Nano Falcon helicopter. Okay, so no, this is not the Nano Falcon helicopter. This is just a huge, almost 6 feet long helicopter that I've got here so I can show you how small the Nano Falcon is compared to this big helicopter. Let's get it open. Here we have the transmitter and the Nano Falcon helicopter itself. You also get 2 spare rear motor propellers and a removal tool. Despite its small size, this transmitter is fully packed with features. It has an on and off switch, which you would also use to charge the helicopter. It has a spring-loaded throttle. You also have a button to turn the light on and off on the helicopter. You have your power light indicator. And of course on the right you've got your controls for going left and right, forward and backwards and spinning around. You also have your left and right trim buttons. And you also have a switch, so you and your mates could fly up to 3 helicopters and fly them on different frequencies. The transmitter works by infrared, so I must say this now, line of sight is essential. So just like your TV remote to your TV, you have to point it in the general direction of the device, which in this case is your Nano helicopter. So let's take a closer look at the bottom of the helicopter, and here you can see you've got your on and off switch. You've also got your little charging socket, and this one tells you that it works on channel A frequency. I marvel at how small this thing is and the precision that's gone into making it as well. It looks absolutely fantastic. It is very, very light. And although this is really small, it no longer holds the crown as the world's smallest remote-controlled helicopter. Guess what? There's one even smaller than this. Not by a lot, but I will be reviewing that at a later date. But for now, would you look at this beauty? Okay, I can't wait to fly this little thing. So let's get it all powered up and get ready for our first flight. So here on the transmitter is a little charging pin that you fold up and you sit the helicopter on it to start it charging. And remember, I showed you there's a little hole in the base of the helicopter. Now that your Nano Falcon has been mounted on the transmitter, you simply turn on the power switch on the transmitter, you'll see a red light, and you'll see a green light on the helicopter. Once the green light has gone out, that means your helicopter is fully charged and you're good to go. This little Nano Falcon takes about 30 minutes to charge and you get a good 5 to 10 minutes of flying time. what's my final verdict? Well, I love it. I'm sure you're not surprised to hear that. This thing is fantastic. This is the Silverlit remote-controlled Nano Falcon helicopter. And I was very much surprised at how stable the flight is once you get used to it. And that's testimony to the built-in gyro stabilizer. The helicopter comes with one rechargeable battery already fitted, but you have to supply 4 AA batteries for the transmitter. Due to its size and the weight, I would recommend you only use this indoors. The manufacturers say it's suitable for ages 10 upwards, and in my case, way upwards. Do make sure you check out the video description below, where you will get further details about this nano helicopter, its price point, and its availability. Oh, and check out my other social media too. Join me next time on Mike's Tech and Toys. Tech and Toys.